Three of the most influential AI companies in the world, OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, just decided not to join Nvidia's Open Secure AI Alliance. And this comes only days after OpenAI experienced a high-profile breach involving their AI agent. It's proof that agent security isn't just a theoretical risk. It's a real-world issue that can seriously disrupt your workflow if you're not paying attention. These leading AI models aren't coming together on security, so every developer, founder, and engineer needs to figure out which toolchain they can actually trust. Let's break down the situation. This isn't just some industry drama. It's a turning point for technical teams everywhere. AI agents are running everything now, from customer support to automated trading. So what happens if one goes rogue? The OpenAI incident revealed a glaring weakness. Autonomous agents can be manipulated, and the guardrails we have now are pretty easy to bypass. If you're deploying agents in production, chances are you had to scramble for patches after that breach. But unless the industry agrees on basic standards, you're always just one prompt injection away from a major disaster. Nvidia's alliance aims to fix that, building collective standards and interoperable tools so your agent doesn't turn into the weakest link when competitors start launching attacks through API payloads you didn't see coming. Here's the actual headline. Nvidia has officially launched the Open Secure AI Alliance. It's a big initiative focused on creating and enforcing technical standards for large language models and agent security. Over 30 organizations jumped in right away. Chipmakers, cloud giants like AWS and Oracle, academic labs, and upstart AI companies. The timing is intentional. Nvidia announced this right after OpenAI's breach grabbed headlines. But what's interesting is who's missing. OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, the top consumer-facing AI players, aren't participating. It's starting to look like a USB versus Apple Lightning situation. One group pushes for open security, while the others keep their approach private. There's no collaboration, no co-development, and no promise of compatibility between their standards. So, if you're building on Nvidia's toolchain, what does this mean for you? The Alliance isn't just holding meetings or publishing white papers. It's releasing real code, libraries, and living security standards. Nvidia's Secure AI SDK gives you modular hooks for agent sandboxing, runtime monitoring, and automatic incident response. Instead of writing all your own authentication and auditing layers, you can use their shared modules. It's closely integrated with CUDA, TensorRT, and even Omniverse for simulation. And the early stats are impressive. Secure AI cuts exploit risk by up to 80% compared to unmanaged agent deployments. That saves months on your roadmap and reduces custom glue code dramatically. For developers launching AI apps at scale, it means faster time to market and less exposure when new exploits appear. If your stack is built on Nvidia, your agents get patched by the community almost instantly. The bigger industry impact? Security is now a selling point. Startups that join can market themselves as secure AI compatible, which makes enterprise deals much easier. Large buyers in banking, biotech, and retail will look for compliance with these standards first. But if your main models run on OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude, you're left out. No secure AI integration means more patchwork fixes and more risk. Devs and CTOs are already weighing their options, debating whether to rebuild with Nvidia-backed tools or stick with the established players and wait for their own standards to catch up. For open source projects, the divide speeds up. Rapid iteration versus hardened guarantees. The Alliance might push some smaller labs to optimize for compatibility, but you'll need to keep one foot in each camp if your clients demand it. And here's my personal take. This move is seriously underrated. The hype cycle missed the point. Security standards for large language models should have rolled out last year, before the breaches forced everyone's hand. Nvidia isn't trying to create a monopoly. They just want a baseline anyone can use, like PCI DSS for payment systems. Ignoring this shift